Look who finally uploaded the first video of the new year. What if I copyright myself? What if I watch my own video and get copyrighted? Wouldn't that be hilarious?
Hello.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. My name is Zosh Swagger. I sell hats. Buy this. Welcome back, y'all. Second video of the new year. And I'm going to Best Buy because, oh, it's dark in here. Oh, Jesus. Hold on. It's dark in here. I recently purchased a lot of things for my setup. And one thing that I need to purchase today is an Ethernet cord that reaches from the front room to here. I need no lag connections whatsoever. I made sure when I got my Xfinity modem, I got the best one they offer, the best internet they offer, and I still lag a little bit sometimes when I'm playing Cold War. So to remedy that, hopefully I'm just gonna run a straight Ethernet connection, so it's straight internet, and I should be good. No Wi-Fi, straight box, like your boy be getting. I recently spent like $200 and something last night buying lights, Govee setups, streaming stuff. Bro, we about to, the gaming channel about to take off. You feel me? I'm telling you, bro, we're getting the bag every way possible. 2022, son. But right now, we are on the way to Best Buy. Shit.
Everywhere you're sinful. Baby, it's alright. Don't want it if it's simple, no. Girl, it's my type. I love it when you're in control.
Best Buy. Just now leaving Best Buy. Got my Cat 6 Ethernet cable that I need. And I also bought a Video Rode Mic Go Dead Cat because in case we're at the track or somewhere and it's windy, I want you guys to have some great audio. So invest in yourself, like I'm telling y'all. And she also got her free Eco Dot that we purchased for her. Well, she purchased a TV for her daddy for, I don't want to say Thanksgiving, for Christmas. And the whole thing, they didn't have Eco Dot. So now we finally got it after like 2.5 weeks. Okay, the dead cat is on and it looks weird. It looks like a dead cat is literally on top of my camera. Jamaican jerk wrap from Tropical Smoothie. Got some shooter playing. Having a little lunch car date. That's how you do it, fellas. And make her pay for it. Taco Bell, baby! They released wings, so we had to go.
Thanks to my friend Jasmine.
Shout out to Jazz.
Jasmine.
Man, we got some wings from Taco Bell. Yo quiero Taco Bell. You can expect more of that content on the new channel. Link down below to that channel where you can watch me and Shorty eat food. I know people like that. It's a quick way to, you know, create content and get to the bag faster. Y'all know the vibes. All my stuff that I ordered from my room, my portion of my setup should arrive Saturday and Sunday. So I'll be sure to, you know, include y'all in how to build you all a budget setup, because I spent no more than like, I think under $1,000 for everything. Like that's including the monitor, PS5, the Dept. I lied, never mind. All right, so clean culture is tomorrow. Today is Friday at the time of this recording. Hopefully I'll upload today. What's up? So like I was saying, today is, what is today? Today is Friday. I need to get this car off the lift. The car has been on a lift since, I don't know, 3-4 days now. So I'm gonna hook it up, take it off the lift, push it out, give it a wash, because it needs a wash bad. Gotta get the car ready for tomorrow and Sunday. Sunday is Cars and Coffee and my niece's birthday. So me, Randy, and maybe Fred gonna fly out to Cars and Coffee Sunday. I know me and Randy's going, but I don't know if Fred's going. I actually had to raise the car up so I can fix this end-link problem that I'm having, which is right there. I gotta, well, I think I know how this happened. Usually, my end-link will hit against, yeah, you can see, the end-link would hit against the exhaust, and the exhaust will like hit it back, and I kept loosening and tightening this thing the best I could, but this is where it wants to be. So I think instead of putting this here on the top one, instead of putting the ratel, I'm gonna put on the first one, and hopefully that gives me enough clearance so it doesn't hit anymore. Huh? We'll see. One day, bro. Well, not that, but we're gonna have us a Porsche. But God, look at that! Oh my goodness, man, that's beautiful. Is it a kid down driving that thing?
No, it's a guy. Spanish dude, looks like.
He probably in a cartel. Why am I racist?
Wow.
On the way home from Ace Hardware, I live so far from Ace Hardware now. Ace Hardware is the best hardware store in all of Central America. It's the best place ever. So I got what I needed. Now I'm headed home. I texted Clean Culture dude, and Roland's at 12:30. I go get a haircut tomorrow with my nephew at 10 o'clock. That ain't happening. So just, I'm sorry, Neff. We're gonna book our haircuts. If it was like earlier that day, I could do it. I got 8, cause then I just take the tag. But no can do. And my nephew don't drive, so no can do. Uh-oh, got some dump Civics over here. You heard? I'm gonna put my seatbelt on. I'm already home. Alrighty, got my new bolt right in my bag right here, fun. So this is the old, this is like a 40 and this is a 30, or this is a 50 and this is a 40, I can't remember, but the shorter bolt should definitely help with not hitting the exhaust so I can be good to go. Oh, oops, my bad, y'all. I didn't mean to hit y'all.
Always nigga fucking 9 to 5, that was all day. Just don't get no coke, that's in my bar, man. Nigga about to run the play like.
Terrible lighting due to that little light up there, but side skirts are on. Everything is on. Now I just gotta wash the car tomorrow. Then we're out to Clean Culture. So yeah, you guys have another vlog coming right on up, playboys and playgirls. You feel me? This garage is already a mess. I have to do so much work to get this how I want it. I gotta buy a workbench, right? First off, I need a workbench so I can put all my stuff up, take all the stuff out of that chest, put it all up nice. I gotta do something about this. I want to tuck this in. Bro, I'm gonna put an outlet from there over here. So much stuff to do, so little time, but it's gonna get done. New gaming channel is up, baby. It's my old gaming channel I revived, so you know, kept my little 5,000 subscribers. You know, they're all dead, but hey, you know what I mean? Zosh Gaming, link down below, subscribe. Cause once the setup comes, it's wraps. Oh, I almost dropped my computer. Guys, all the stuff that I got for this setup, it's gonna look so much nicer. We're gonna have lighting in here finally. It's gonna be amazing. What we eating for dinner tonight?
The rice is still fucking hard. It sucks. I'm not buying that rice again.
We got some salmon and some broccoli with some rice that still, I guess, needs to cook.
And the rice sucks.
Yeah, she got some brown rice, but it's no bueno. But it's okay. My mouth is hurting so bad, bro. Mouth pain is the worst. Now we're eating some of Mom's fish curry and some rice. And baby girl's eating some Cookie Crisp after some salmon and broccoli. Well, you did it. I'm proud of you. You made it to the end of this video. Before you click off, leave a like on the video. Let's get this video to 1,000+ likes. We can do that. I mean, why are you liking the video? Because you like me. Don't you like me? Because I like you. I like you a lot, bro. So what? You jealous? You jealous of them? You just have to spend more time with them than I do you?
But you sleep with me at night.
Yeah.
That's why you had a big old bump in your head.
Don't worry about all this right here. She popped a pimple and sprayed some stuff on my face. Pause.
Astringent.
Yeah. Ass? You spray ass on my face?
Ass juice.
Ew. Can you imagine you farting and like juice come out of the fart, right? Like, let's say a dude's eating your butt. Alright, let's not talk about it.
Quick Jack.
Yup. Yeah, it finally came in. Shout out to Quick Jack, baby. But I thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed whatever this monstrosity was. If you did, be kind. Leave a like on the video. Let's get the views up. Let's get everything up all in 2022. You ain't gotta get the views up, but let's just do something. You feel me? Let's do something monumental this year. I'm getting my Evo this year and a truck. You gonna buy me a truck, right? She said no, but you know. Like I said, tomorrow is Clean Culture, and then Sunday is Cars and Coffee. So I hope to see you guys out there. If you live in the South Florida area, come out. Come say what up. Come show some love. Would love to see y'all out there, man. Have a good time. First event of the year. Let's make it a great one. If you want to support the channel and all that fun stuff, I have Zosh MFG trucker hats now available. Go ahead and get that. Oh, that's nice. Turn it back on. Turn it off. That's nice. I like that.
What?
What?
Stop burping.
Okay, I will stop being a... Can't wait to show you guys the new gaming stuff once it gets here, blah, blah, blah. Link down below to both my new channels. Alright, there's content on one already. Go subscribe. I'm getting the bag in 3 different channels this year, baby. That's the goal. That is the goal. That is the goal. Hopefully the gaming channel boom up. The gaming channel boom up is rap. So I'm gonna use all the gaming channel money, fund the Zosh channel, this channel that you're watching, so I can buy like my Evo. Bro, man, I can't wait, man. This year is gonna be an amazing year, and I'm excited. But thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.